Hi, this is Learn with Jasmine, and today we're talking about the 5 best side hustles for women. In this video, we're going to talk about the business model tools you'll need to succeed, the blueprint to get started, and how to monetize. These are side hustles that benefit significantly from a feminine touch, and even though the title says women, I want to clarify that these are not gender specific. If you identify with having a greater sense of intuition, creativity, and communication, you can make money from these side hustles. The first one is affiliate marketing. This is where you share a link to a product and you earn commission. You can find these products and start getting these links through websites such as Share a Sale, Magic Links, Partner Stack, and Impact Radius. You've probably seen or heard of people sharing links with Amazon, and this is a really popular way to start. Now, some tips for getting started. There is Amazon Associates and Amazon Influencer. Amazon Influencer requires that you already have social media engagement to start, and you have to get approved. Though it's not specified the number of followers you need to have, all it says is engagement. Many people say you need at least 1,000 followers, and a lot of people also recommend anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 followers just to start out and get approved. But because this video is beginner friendly, if you don't have an existing social media following, you're going to want to start with Amazon Associates. And all that is required from you is to have a website. This website should have a couple blog posts already on the website. So if you're intimidated about starting a website and writing blog posts, Hostinger can make this a lot easier for you. If you don't have a website already, Hostinger is a hosting platform and a website builder that's not only super affordable, but also really easy to use. It can cost you as low as $2.99 to start, and you can even save a little more by using my link Jasmine for 10% off. And you're gonna wanna use Hostinger because if you're like me, it can take a couple hours to write a blog post. So if you want to start a website and create blog posts in under an hour, Hostinger has a lot of really cool tools, including their AI blog building tool. That way you can start with Amazon Associates ASAP. If you get affiliate marketing links to share from other websites, you can absolutely post these, and you should be posting these on your social media. But if you want to grow and to scale, you should be also posting these on your website because it's a place for people to find what you're recommending. I think affiliate marketing is an absolutely incredible way to make money, and I will be sharing a more detailed video in the future. But for now, that's a pretty solid blueprint on how to start and how to monetize. Number 2, selling digital products or downloads. This is a great option for both creative people and highly organized people. Some examples of digital products can be guides, templates, social media layouts, calendars, and art. There are really a lot of options of digital products that you can make, and I recommend making this product specific to you and your skill set and your background and knowledge. For example, if you're a mom, maybe you would make a before school prep checklist. Or if you're a student, maybe you'll make a studying calendar. I personally love the ones where you can check off the amount of time and hours that you've spent on a project. You will probably sell your digital product on Etsy. However, you can also sell this on your website if you can get traffic to that website. But Etsy will help people find your product. If you've been interested or have come across selling a digital product online, then you've probably heard of Canva, where you can create these templates. My tip for Canva is to please keep in mind that if you're going to sell or make money from digital products, that you need to be able to compile multiple elements to create something unique. It needs to be original. You can't use 1 or 2 elements from Canva. It does have to be something that's organized and original, again, because you might run into licensing issues. So if you're worried about that, you can use something called Kittl, because with this, you can make your own AI images, and you can use these images for commercial or sales purposes. 3, a service. Now, when you think typical side hustle, a service is probably what comes to mind. Some typical examples are cleaning windows or mowing grass. However, as women, you may have an edge on different types of services, such as doing nails, doing makeup, offering photography, making balloon arches, or making balloon bouquets. Now, with a service, you are going to want to advertise on social media. Make sure to make your social media searchable so that it's unique to what you have to offer. For example, if it is kids balloon bouquets, state that as well as the location. Now, to also give yourself an edge, make sure you're including a unique selling point or unique selling proposition. This is also known as a USP, and a USP is what's going to help differentiate you from other people offering offering the same service. After your social media is searchable, then you're going to want to link it to a website where you also have searchable information on the service you have to offer. When it comes to services, think about what you enjoy and think about skills that you have. Another service that I think is really interesting and unique are spiritual readings online. So if you're good at tarot readings or astrology readings, you can do TikTok lives after you gain 1,000 followers, and then you host collective readings and wait for people to join, and then people will request individual readings and they will pay an amount that you choose to do an individual reading on that live. So they may send money through Venmo or Cash App or different payment processing platforms, even PayPal. Services are great side hustles, and I absolutely urge you to keep in mind long-term that you want to scale and grow. This can look like growing services or growing bundles for that said service. However, you don't want to be stuck with only one option to make money. Fourth, UGC. UGC, or user-generated content, is a way that you can make hundreds of dollars quite quickly. So with UGC, you make videos for products of brands. This is pretty cool because you don't necessarily have to post to your account, so you don't necessarily have to show your face. You also don't have to have followers or, again, post to your accounts. However, keep in mind that in the long run, you may be able to make more money doing so. Starting out, you'll probably join a UGC website, such as Skeepers or Join Brands. And there are many sites for this, and often there is a waiting period to get approved, anywhere from 15 days to over a month. If you want to make hundreds or even thousands per video, this is how you're going to grow so that you don't get stuck making less than $100 per video, or so you don't get stuck with just gifted campaigns. First, you need to start by making some videos so that you have a portfolio and can show your expertise and your work. Now, a portfolio is super important because you're going to want to connect with brands directly so that you can make more money, and this portfolio is going to be how you market yourself as a UGC creator. So on this portfolio, share potentially a picture of yourself, share a little bit about who you are, share the communities or the niches that you work in. This can look like beauty, lifestyle, health, wellness. Sometimes it's also beneficial to share the general location of where you are based. And then you're gonna wanna share examples of the videos that you've made. So to be able to make those videos, sometimes you will need to make free videos or gifted campaign videos. And this is so that you can get experience. So do your best to make the best quality video as you can, because this is going to show the capacity of your work. After you have a portfolio, then you can email brands directly and ask them if they are looking for UGC type content, and the brands will share information about their product as well as guidelines for the video, such as the timeline and the time length of the video and certain keywords that they require, so that you can make a video advertising that product well. Sometimes the brands want you to send them the video directly so that they have it, and they may use it in detail use for posting on their platforms or even for advertising. There will probably be different payout options if you are able to post on a social media platform, and if that social media platform has followings and you use your face and have a personal brand. So a lot of different options, but scalability is going to be up to what you're looking to do. Eventually, as you gain experience, you will be able to set your own rates and terms for the content that you deliver. The fifth side hustle is coaching and or consulting. This, I think, is a significantly under-tapped side hustle because there are so many different skill sets that can be used in a coaching type of delivery. You can also make a great amount of money with this because you are teaching someone a skill that they are directly benefiting from. You'll want to do this online so that you can offer this from the comfort of your home, and some examples of this are fitness coaching and business coaching. Now think about who you are and what skills you excel at, because as a feminine person, maybe you are able to be a dating coach. I'm finding that this is starting to gain major traction because the social media content does really well, and you can pick whether you want to coach to men or coach to women. If you are a mom and have had a baby, or maybe you've had multiple babies and have a lot of experience with raising a child in their first year of life, this can also be a pretty cool option for coaching and helping moms get through and navigate their first year of having a baby. If you like style, you can help people find their personal style. Social media coaching is also really popular, and you can help connect businesses with strategies and trends to make social media content. If you got into a good college, you can be a college application coach. Now, I know that there are a lot of really intense college like application businesses already, but maybe you're doing this on a smaller scale and offering more individual counseling. Something that I think is really cool is an ADHD coach or an accountability partner. This could be a paid service for making sure and checking in with people to get certain tasks done. Social media is a great way to find people who are looking for your service, but if that intimidates you, you can even look at other platforms such as Fiverr. It is always best to have a website and make sure that you gather testimonials that you can post them on that website so that people will want to work with you. These were the 5 best side hustles for women. Let me know in the comments which one you have the most questions or interest about, and even comment your questions as well. I make these videos so that you can gain more independence over your life with more money. So if you liked this or if you learned something from this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I'm motivated to make more videos for you. See you next time.